Office of the Vice President, survey or not, survey or no survey, pareho lang po ang trabaho natin. It's all in a day's work. Kung ano po yung mga kailangan namin gawin, yun lang rin po ang itutuloy natin. Of course, mag-extra effort tayo ngayon because of that survey. Pero regardless of the location rin, ang trabaho po natin, we can do better. I'm sure we can do better here and there. At ang pangalawang Pangulo po, like I said, whether she is here or not, pareho din po or mas higit pa ang trabaho na ginagawa sa ngayon.
Hi, Ma'am. Lance po from Newswatch Plus. You know, there are a lot of programs from OVP. So, siguro po my first question would be, since napakadami pong programa and also at the same time, marami ring issues na kinakaharap si Vice President Duterte, my first question would be, how involved is she now in the rollout of these programs, given nga po na may mga scheduled trips and etc.? Is she on top of everything pa din?
Yes, the Vice President is as involved as she started. So, nung rinol out yung mga programa natin, beginning 2022, up to now, her involvement is the same, even more. Kasi, syempre, marami tayong nakikita na pwede pang mga areas of improvement. Maraming mga bagong ideas rin na binibigay si Vice President. So, her involvement never diminished. Yes, tatanong kasi, na-mention ko na ang next question. Even if she's not physically here, she's still the one running the office. Kasi may technology naman diba? Tayo lang, yung mga nandito, kami yung gumagawa, kami yung mga sundalo, but the instructions come directly from the Vice President herself.
Just a follow-up question, ma'am. Where is the Vice President now? And yung scheduled trips niya po sa Kuwait, will that push through this August 8, if I'm not mistaken?
Let me verify that information. We'll get back to you on that one.
Thank you. But is she in the Philippines now?
I will get back to you on that one.
Okay, thank you.
It's August 7, no? Today? 6, okay. Okay.
Nung pagbalik ni VP Sara po dito sa Pilipinas, nakita po ba kayo, ma'am? And then may bilin ba siya sa inyo, especially sa institution po?
Doon kasi pagbalik niya, the day after she went to Marinduque. Papunta, ako rin dapat nakaschedule and some members of the team from Manila na papunta dapat sa Marinduque. But hindi kami natuloy kasi sa Roro malakas daw yung agos. So it was not safe for us. Hindi kami nakapunta. But we were supposed to be with her for the 3-day activity in Marinduque. Same pa rin. Pareho ng bilin niya before, pareho rin ang bilin niya ngayon.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Ms. Marisol.
Actually, ang tanong ko lang naman is, where is the VP right now? Does she have any official engagement outside? Is she just here? How is she po?
Okay, for today,
Kasi,
specifically for today, we'll see.
Hindi na siya nasisilayan.
Oo nga, sige.
Since you're her spokesperson, so, kumusay namin saan po si VP ngayon, ma'am. Tapos kumusta po siya.
Sige, we'll get back to you on that before we end this conference. JC, paalam na lang, please.
Is she just here?
Who knows? She can just be right in the office. Oo nga, a few steps away.
Ma'am, ano talagang po, saan po siya ngayon? Meron ba siya mga official engagement sa labas?
Okay, sige, we'll give you the answer later after we confirm.
Sorry, ma'am. Follow-up lang din sa inyo. I mean, you mentioned that she's more involved now than she is before. Can you just describe how involved she really is with the programs? Parang, ano ba siya yung, sabi nyo nga sa kanya galing instructions and everything. I mean, can you just describe how her involvement now, kahit a few words lang, can you just describe how involved she is with the program?
Okay. So, of course, given the 3 years now that she has been the Vice President, mas marami siyang nakikitang kailangan na gawin, mas marami siyang na-encounter na tao na mas marami ang pangangailangan na minsan first time lang natin naririnig na meron palang gano'n na pangyayari, meron palang gano'n na sitwasyon. So, lahat po ng ginagawa ng Office of the Vice President, even the regular programs that we have, submitted sa kanya lahat ng report and then magko-comment siya dun sa report that should have given more here, should have given less there, para mas na-spread, na-ikot, or ganyan. Or even the public release, the press releases that we make, even the ones in social media, chine-check po muna ni Vice President yun kung tama ba or accurate ba yung mga figures na binigay nyo, i-compare niya doon sa records niya. So that's how the Vice President is involved. Like I said, she may not be here physically, hindi lang natin nakikita, pero yung trabaho na kailangan niyang gawin for the office is still being done. Ano lang, minsan virtual, minsan ghost.
Thank you, ma'am. Follow up.
Related, ma'am, doon sa tanong kung talagang mas involved si VP Sara ngayon. Kasi merong survey ngayon na bumaba yung kanyang yung performance rating ng OVP. So, kasi may impression din na kaya bumaba dahil lagi siyang wala sa bansa. Ano po yung comment natin dito?
We, of course, respect the survey, regardless of the source, kung saan po galing yung survey na yan. Okay lang po sa atin if that is their findings. And, of course, with that, kung totoo man yun o hindi, we have resolved to do better for the Office of the Vice President. The Vice President herself also has resolved to work even harder than we are all working now. So pagbubutihin po natin lalo ang serbisyo na ibibigay natin sa taong bayan.
Thank you, Attorney. Yes, Red.
Good morning, RBC. Well, nasabi na po natin, Bella, yung survey kasi nga parang tumaas, parang while mas bumaba po siya sa Luzon, Balance Luzon, and sa Visayas po, ma'am. So, gagawin po ba ni BP po ba, mas ifo-focus po ba ang serbisyo niya dito sa Luzon or sa Visayas, magiging targeted po ba in light of the recent survey na slightly bumaba yung kanyang performance rating and yung trust rating po niya. Kasi sa Mindanao, medyo slight lang po yung binaba noon pero still medyo mataas pa rin po naman. So, ano po ba, magiging target po ba or magiging national pa rin po ba ang scope ng OVP even if there's a decline in the survey ratings, ma'am?
Yes, alam nyo naman kasi, Red, ang Office of the Vice President, survey or not, survey or no survey, pareho lang po ang trabaho natin. It's all in a day's work. Kung ano po yung mga kailangan namin gawin, yun lang rin po ang itutuloy natin. Of course, mag-extra effort tayo ngayon because of that survey. Pero regardless of the location rin, ang trabaho po natin, we can do better. I'm sure we can do better here and there. At ang pangalawang Pangulo po, like I said, whether she is here or not, pareho din po or mas higit pa ang trabaho na ginagawa sa ngayon.
Okay, thank you, Attorney. We have time for one last question. Yes.
Yung sinasabi ni Senator Trillanes na kaya daw tahimik si former Vice President Robredo dun sa impeachment case ni VP dahil magkaalyado nga ba sila? So, baka meron lang pong clarification. In fact, we arranged nga din pag-visit before sa Namba. So, in short, magpipigil na sila. Alyansa daw si VP at saka si former VP.
Okay. Well, I am not privy to that. But, if it's true, I'm sure the Vice President will get a lot of useful tips from former Vice President Leni Robredo.
Thank you, Attorney Ruth. Do we have any parting words, ma'am?
No. Kasi,
last question from Jason, ma'am.
Last question. Alam namin you're not the spokesperson po for the impeachment. Pero gusto lang namin kamustahin yung institusyon, yung moral po ng mga staff ng OVP na ngayon po ay magdidesisyon, magbobotohan po mamaya yung Senate po.
Okay. Kagaya ng sinabi ko tungkol sa yung survey or no survey, impeachment or no impeachment, the Office of the Vice President will work the same or even harder to fulfill the mandate of the office and to fulfill also the advocacies of the Office of the Vice President. Pareho lang, parang kaming we're shielded. we do not know what's happening outside. So, tuloy lang kung anong trabaho. Oo. Yun lang ang focus naman kasi. Well, of course, that's a standing order from the Vice President also na whatever happens outside, whatever happens in politics, diretso lang, focus lang on the office of the Vice President. Yes. Okay,
Thank you, Attorney Ruth.
Yes, thank you. Last na, parting lang, just to remind everyone, lahat po ng mga tanong ninyo, of course, we welcome all those. And kung patungkol po sa trabaho ng Vice Presidente, ng Pangalawang Pangulo, lahat po ito na ginagawa ng Office of the Vice President at niya mismo as Pangalawang Pangulo ay para sa Diyos, para sa bayan at para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino.